you got the... Is that the hint to the fish?
Yeah, I thought.
Can't even feel the frigging lure, never mind get a fish. I feel the bottom though. It's ridiculous trying to do a long cast. Long cast ain't working. Landed in Ireland. I wish you'd gone to the charity shop. Fish! Fish on! Thanks for picking up the net, Kev. I don't think so. Feels like a pollock. I don't know, it's gone into the weed. Might be a rat, who knows? Might be a bass. It's a pollock. Hey! Cheers, Kev. Fish is a fish. Brought the net down. Kev does it again. Whenever he picks up the net, we get a fish.
Not a bass now, but
It's not a bass, but it's not a bad little pollock. Unusual to catch a pollock here. So,
yeah, I don't know where it's a pollock
there he
here.
is. Fair enough. I was only saying somebody today, oh, I never catch a pollock there. I think that's my second one.
There we go.
Not bad, about 30. We'll put him back on the razor claw. Save the blank, Mr. Pollock. Happy days on the razor claw, which is the pollock lure, isn't it? So I think we'll have another try here. I did say it felt like a pollock. And it was. And that's the bottom. That feels like the bottom. I'm having to use a big 40 gram lure because the 30-40 mile an hour winds. I'm a little bit shadowed here, which is why I'm fishing here. Hey, at least to get a fish. Get up there. Can't resist the metal, can they, the pollock? Definitely not known for pollock here, I don't think, anyway.